Helo, croeso I dosbarth ar-lein cylchedau, so circuit class. Rhian yw fi. Dechrau off, ni'n mynd I twymo lan, so ni'n marcho ar yr unfan. We're going to march on the spot to warm up to start with. So breichau mynd, symud y trad. A ni'n mynd I rolio'r ysgwydd yna nôl, we're going to roll those shoulders back. Cylchau mowr. A rolio nhw ymlaen, so roll them forwards. A o'r ffwys tro hyn, breichau mas i'r ochr, cylchau bach yn mynd ymlaen. Okay? Small circles going forwards. Check ar y trad I fynd. We're going to try and keep those legs going. A yn nôl, so cylchau yn mynd am nôl. Arm circles going backwards. A orffwys y breichau. Okay, ni'n mynd ar toe taps now, so mynd ar bicep trad ymlaen. Bring those toe taps forwards. And now am nôl, so take those toe taps backwards. Missing y coesau straight nôl tu ôl chi. Reaching those legs right out behind. A i'r ochr. So mynd nhw mas yr ochrau, taking them out to the sides. Da iawn. Nôl I marcho'r unfan, so marching on the spot. Swing o'r breichau bach fwy tro hyn. Cadw trad I fynd, so swing those arms a bit more. Keep those feet going. A nôl i'r toe taps o flan, tro hyn, ni'n mynd I adio bicep curl. So back to those toe taps going forward. This time we're going to add a bicep curl. A now trad nôl tu ôl, so back to those backward toe taps. A tro hyn, ni'n mynd I mistyn y breichau o flaen hefyd. We're going to reach those arms forwards as well. And now, side taps i'r ochr. Take those side taps to the side. A mistyn y breichau i'r ochr hefyd. Reach those arms to the side as well. Da iawn. A nôl I marcho ar y unfan. Back to marching on the spot. Trad mynd, breichau mynd. Keep those feet going and the arms pumping. Okay, tro hyn, mynd bach fwy galed. We're going a bit harder. Am 10 eiliad. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A ymlacio, slow it right down. So neud siŵr nawr bod chi digon o dŵr. Os chi moyn orffwys. If you want any rest, rest whenever you want to, okay? So heddi, fi'n mynd I use dumbbells a cader, okay? Chos fi'n mynd I tricep dips ar cader a dumbbells yn lle. Os bydd dim dumbbells da chi gytre, chi sydd o bags o sugar neu tins o beans, beth bynnag chi'n gallu defnyddio, chi'n gallu dala yn llaw, okay? So whatever you can use at home if you haven't got dumbbells, bags of sugar or tins of beans, whatever's easiest for you. A cader and a chair as well. Okay? So we dechrau off, da squats cynta. So mae'r pob exercise cynta we dechrau am 1 funud. First round of exercises, each one's going to start for a full minute. Okay? So it's starting off nice and simple, dechrau neis, da squats. Barod? 3, 2, 1, off a knee. So squats, cefn syth, we want a straight back. Bend the knees, plug your pengliniau. Gwthiwch y penol mas. Push those bottoms out behind you. Full minute, okay? Minute llawn. So cymerwch amser, do what you can. Take your time, full minute on each exercise. So squat o'r ochr yn edrych fel hyn. Feet shoulder width apart, trad ysgwydd apart. Plygu lawr. Cadw'r cefn yn syth. Cadw'ch gwthio. 10 eiliad. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Okay, nawr i'r dumbbells, neu fel wedi si, tins of beans, neu bags of sugar. A ni'n mynd i bicep curls, okay? So, elbows tucked in, pennau mewn, codi breich y lan, a lawr. Bring those arms up and down. An araf bach, control. A nice, slow and controlled movement. Gofiwch yn nadlu, mewn trwy trwyn, mas trwy ceg. Remember to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Cadw'ch gwthio, 10 eiliad i fynd, keep those elbows tucked in, 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, a dumbbells nawr. Pwysau lawr, a nawr, jog on the spot, okay? Rhedeg ar y unfan. So neud siŵr bod trad yn dod off y llawr. Swing o'r breichiau. Edrych ymlaen, cefn syth. Cofiwch yn nadlu mewn trwy trwyn, mas drwy ceg. Remember that breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Cadw breichio fynd, when I help you, keep those arms pumping, they're there to help you. Dig eiliad i fynd, 10 seconds to go, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Nawr, sumo hold. So trad mas, lled, okay, wide feet, lawr, a ni'n mynd i dyla'r squat fyna, so sumo hold. Just cewch lawr, mor mell ych chi'n gallu, beth bynnag chi'n cyffyrddus da. So you're going to go down just as far as you can, whatever you can manage and you're comfortable with. Cadw'r cefn yn syth, edrych ymlaen. Keep it back straight, looking forwards. And dala fe fyna. Hold it there. Canolbwyntio ar y nadlu. Concentrate on your breathing. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Okay, nawr ni'n mynd i ôl y cader. Mae'r mewn, a ni'n mynd mewn i tricep dips, okay? So dwylo ar y cader, ochr y cader. Coesau mas, lawr a lan. Coesau syth os chi moyn. Ond mae'n fwy haws, plygu'r coesau, lawr a lan. Okay, so bend the legs for easier. If you want it harder, straighten the legs. But i dechrau off da, we'll plygu'r coesau, lawr a lan. Okay, so you feel the triceps working. Cadwch fynd. O'r ochr, mae'n edrych fel hyn. So plygu'r penelyn, bend the elbows a lan, fully extend. Lawr a lan. 3, 2, 1 a orffwys, rest. Cadw nôl i'r ochr. A nawr mewn i side steps, okay? So mas i'r ochrau. Defnyddio breichiau hefyd os chi moyn. Yna'n helpu. So we're side stepping to the side. Use those arms as well if you want. Cofiwch yn nadlu, mewn trwy trwyn, mas trwy cyn. Remember to breathe, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Unrhyw pryd chi moyn orffwys, gallwch chi orffwys. Cael dŵr, anytime you want to rest, you can rest, grab that water. And then carry on when you're ready. Cariwch mlaen pan chi'n barod. Tri, dau, un, a orffwys. Nawr, mewn i'r lunges, okay? So ni'n mynd lawr a nôl lan. So opposite arm to opposite leg i helpu da'r balance. A nôl lan. Yn amser eich hunan. Nôl lan. So o'r ochr, mae'n edrych fel hyn. So wneud beth chi'n gallu, okay? Do what you can. Cymerwch eich amser. Os chi moyn cadw'r bwys i supporto chi, chi'n gallu. If you want a chair next to you to help you and support you, you can. Plygu'r coesau. So make sure you bend those knees. Tri, dau, un, a orffwys. Okay, tro hyn, punches, okay? Symud y trad hefyd. Get those feet going as well. A ni'n bwrw mas. We're punching out. Cael y breichiau a'r coesau i fynd. Keep those arms and legs going. Edrych ymlaen. Yn adlu. Cadw'ch cefn yn syth. Keep the back straight. Bydwch pwyso drostol. Don't lean forwards or hunch that back. Sgwyd yn ôl, aros yn dal. Standing up tall. Shoulders back. Cadwch fynd, cadw trad fynd. Keep those feet going as well. Tri, dau, un, a orffwys. Tro hyn, ni'n mynd am y side crunches. So ni'n dod ar penglin mas i'r ochr, okay? I cwrdd ar penelyn, yn mell ych chi'n gallu. So we're bringing the elbow to one side, down to the knee, as far as you can. Okay, just where you can reach. Ti'n gallu defnyddio cadar i hyn. You can use a chair for this to help. And rest, yr un peth i'r ochr arall, same to the other side. So dechrau lawr i'r ochr. Remember, you can use a chair to help you. Just to where you can, okay? Just lle chi'n gallu. Mas i'r ochr. So we're using our core, okay? Defnyddio muscles yn y bola. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Tro hyn, ni'n mynd i wneud high knees, okay? So we're doing high knees. Dyna'r llaw mewn os chi moyn, I helpu cwrdd. So bringing that hand in to help meet the knee. Eto, chi'n gallu iwsio cael os chi moyn, I pwysau arnoch. You can use that chair if you want to lean on. Cymerwch eich amser. Cadwch gwthio. Aros yn dal, cefn syth. Standing up tall, straight back. Tri, dau, un, a orffwys. Os cymoedd bach o dŵr nawr yn gloi. Amser orffwys, if you want some rest time, grab that water now. And now we're going to nôl ar y top, we're going to go back to the top, a neud I gyd to, and tro hyn, ni'n mynd I cael 40 eiliad. This time, we're only going to do 40 seconds of exercise. So, tro hyn, chi gwthio eich hunan bach fwy. You can push yourselves a bit more, achos da chi llai o amser. You've got that shorter time. Okay? A chi'n gwybod beth sy'n dod nawr, so we're going to dechrau nôl ar y squats. We're going to go back up to the squats. 3, 2, 1, bant y ni. So, just 40 seconds now. Os chi'n moyn gwthio eich hunan bach fwy, chi'n gallu. 40 seconds now, so if you want to push yourselves a bit more, you can. Neud siŵr bod y squats yn isel, neu bod isel a chi'n gallu mynd. So take those squats nice and low, just as low as you're comfortable with. Da iawn, cadwch fynd. Keep going, cadw'r cefn a'n syth. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Okay, mynd draw. O, mynd I ôl y bicep curls to. Mynd nôl I bicep curls to, sorry. Draw I ôl eich pwysau. Barod. 3, 2, 1, bant a ni. So, pwysau'n dod lan i'ch chest. Those weights coming up to your chest. Cadwch panelyn mewn. Keep those elbows tucked in. Cofiwch anadlu, mewn trwy trwyn, mas trwy ceg. Remember that breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Cadwch mynd. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Cewch y pwysau nôl lawr. Take those weights back down. A barod nôl i'r rhedeg ar yr unfan. Back to that jogging on the spot. Cofiwch defnyddio breichiau. Remember to use those arms. Mae nhw'n na I helpu chi. They're there to help you. Pick up trad lan off the llaw. Keep those feet up off the floor. Anadlu, edrych ymlaen. Breathe in, looking forwards. Tri, dau, un, slow of allow, slow that jog down. Okay, nôl i'r sumo hold. So trad mas to. So back to the sumo hold, feet wide again. Lawr y ni, a dala fe fyna. So squat, a dala. Cadw'r cefn yn syth. We want to keep that back straight. Anadlu, mewn trwy trwyn, mas trwy ceg. Keep breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Cadwch yn isel, neu mor isel chi'n gallu. Keeping it low or as low as you can. 10 eiliad, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, a orffwys. Okay, nôl i'r tricep dips. Dyna cadw nhw mewn. Back to the tricep dips. Lawr â ni. A off â ni. So cofio plygu'r coesau i wneud yn hawsach. Bend those legs to make it easier. Teimlo'r breichiau'n gweithio, so we're feeling those triceps work. Plug your panelin, bend those elbows. Deg eiliad I fynd, 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1 a orffwys. Cewch y cario nôl i'r ochr. A nôl mewn i'r side steps, okay? So mas i'r ochrau. Back to those side steps. Neu cymau fwy o seis trwy hyn. Do those steps a bit wider this time. 40 eiliad yw e. So only 40 seconds this time. So gwthiwch bach fwy. So we're pushing a bit harder. Deg eiliad. Cadwch fynd. 3, 2, 1 a orffwys. Nôl i'r lunges nawr. Cofio? Plug i'r penglin. Bending those knees. I helpu edrych o braich. Opposite mascus. The opposite arm comes out. Camu ymlaen. Plug i'r penglin. Stepping forward. Bend those knees. Cadw cefn a'n sydd, keeping that back straight. Cofiwch mae caderfna I helpu os chi moyn. The chair's there for help and some support if you need it. 3, 2, 1 a orffwys. Okay, nôl i'r punches, so trad yn symud a punch o mas o flan, okay? So those feet are going, punching out forwards. Cadw'r breic yn mynd, fwy gyflym trwy hyn y diwetha. Try and get them a bit quicker this time than last time, because 40 eiliad yw e, cofiwch. This time's only 40 seconds. Cadwch fynd, cadwch yn dadlu. Keep pushing, remember your breathing. Control. Dau, un, a ymlacio. Okay, nôl i'r side crunches. So back to those side crunches. Iawn, dewch yn y lan. Mor mell ych chi'n gallu, only to where you're comfortable with. Cofiwch mae'r cader na I helpu fyd. The chair's there to help as well. A'r un peth i'r ochr draw, same to the other side. Lan a orffwys. Lan, orffwys. So up and release. Up and release. Cadwch fynd. 3, 2, 1 a orffwys. Nôl i'r un diwetha nawr. Last exercise. High knees. Dewch yr pengliniau na lan. Last push a chi di gorffen, okay? 40 eiliad I fynd a wedyn cool down. 40 seconds to go and you're done. We'll enter that cool down. So bring those knees up. Cadwch pengliniau na lan. Dewch yr dwylo mas I helpu. Cofiwch chi gallu defnyddio'r cader. Remember you can use that chair if you want to. Keep pushing. 10 eiliad. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 a ymlacio. Cewch chi o bach o dŵr. Get some of that water. A wedyn mynd mewn I ymestyn y corff. Stretching that body to cool down. Okay. So ni just mynd I dod yr heels off y llawr, okay? We're just going to lift those heels off the floor. Nice and easy. Nice and slowly. Braich across the corff. Bring the arm across your chest and hold it there. So braich arall. You support the fe'n lle. Using that other hand to support it in place. I'r ochr arall, braich dros y corff, arm across the chest, and hold. And release, relax. Doi llawd I gilydd tro hyn. Mistyn nhw mlaen mor mell chi'n gallu. Stretch those hands out in front of you as far as you can. Gain loud, so tuck that chin into your chest. Teimlo, stretch up top of cefn. Ar ysgwyddau, so feeling that stretch at the top of your back and shoulders. A dewch chi mystyn lan, so chwch y brech yna just mor bell ych chi'n gallu. Mystyn reit lan, so try and stretch those arms just as far as you can, stretch them right up. Lawr I gwylod y cefn. Bring those hands down to the back of your back, small of your back. Push your penelyn nôl. Push those elbows back. Teimlo stretch yn y chest. And release. Siglo'r breichau, shake those arms. Okay, now stretch your coesau. Ni'n mynd nôl mewn I lunge, and tro hyn, mae'r cwrs cefn yn syth, and ni'n push it your hips, okay? So the back leg straight, trad flat ar llawr, the feet are flat on the floor, and you push through the hips. Dych chi teimlo stretch in the calf muscle, a gwylod y cwrs syth. Feeling that stretch in the calf muscle at the bottom of the straight leg. And release, cymau bach. Swap o'r un peth i'r cwrs arall te, the same to the other leg. So yr cwrs tu ôl, sydd yn syth, trad yn flat ar y llawr. Teimlo'r stretch yn y calf muscle, feeling that stretch, bottom of the straight leg in the calf muscle. A o'r ffwys camau bach. Tro hyn, ni'n mynd i'r cwrs ymlaen syth. Pwysau nôl, ystod nôl yn y stretch. Trad lan, so feeling that stretch, sit back in that stretch. Front leg is straight. Point those toes up. So you can teimlo stretch in the hamstring at the back of the leg. And release, camau bach. R'un peth i'r ochr draw. So pwyswch yn ôl. Cadw'r coes yn syth. Bysau trad lan. Teimlo stretch in the hamstring. Feeling that stretch in the hamstring. Keeping that front leg straight. Ar y ffwys. Camau bach tro hyn. Trod lan tu ôl, chi'n gallu defnyddio cadar neu wal I helpu chi os chi'n moyn. The balance. You can use a wall or chair to help you the balance. Just ar y trad lan, treol cael y trousers falle, neu'r trainer, ble bynnag chi'n gallu dal arno. So try and get the trousers or the trainer wherever you can get hold of. And ymestyn front o'r cwrs, so the quad muscle. O'r ffwys, camau bach. R'un peth i'r ochr draw, dod fe nôl, tu ôl. Ymestyn lle chi'n gallu, dala ymlaen lle chi'n gallu. And ymestyn front o'r cwrs, so again, stretching the front of the leg, the quad muscle. siglo'r corff yn gloi, and give yourselves a round of applause. Da iawn chi.